Welcome to dbForge Edge tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to install and run dbForge Edge on Ubuntu using Wine. To be able to run dbForge Edge on Ubuntu using Wine, you'll need to follow a series of steps. Begin by installing Wine, which enables running Windows applications on Ubuntu. Next, install Winetricks, a handy tool for managing Wine packages. Use Winetricks to install the .NET package, which is essential for running dbForge Edge. After completing these prerequisites, proceed to download the dbForge Edge installation package from the official website, then run the downloaded installer and complete the installation process. And finally, run the required dbForge Studio that comes with the dbForge Edge pack. Let us look at these steps in more detail. To install Wine, first open the terminal. Now we need to make sure our package lists are up to date, so we run the corresponding command. Next, we add the winehq repository and install Wine. After the installation is complete, you can check the Wine version to verify that it has been installed correctly. Now we enter a command to run Wine in a separate 64-bit environment. It creates a custom Wine directory and launches the configuration tool. Wine does not automatically install the mono package required for .NET applications to work correctly, therefore it displays the following dialog. In it, click Cancel. We will be using Winetricks to install and run .NET libraries. Well, step 1 is done. Now we are ready for step 2, getting Winetricks on board. To install it on our Ubuntu system, we enter the following commands. After the installation is complete, we verify that Winetricks has been installed correctly. At step 3, we will run Winetricks within an isolated environment to install additional software, specifically the .NET framework. For this, we will use the following commands. Note that .NET version 4.7 is sufficient for the successful installation and operation of dbForge Studio for MySQL. However, it may not install correctly under Wine. Therefore, we recommend installing and using a higher version of .NET such as 4.8 for improved compatibility and performance. The .NET installers will guide you through all the steps. You will need to agree to the license terms and click Continue to proceed. In the last window of the installation wizard, click Finish. With our environment set up, it's time to download dbForge Edge from the official Devart site. For installing dbForge Edge via Wine on your Linux machine, we use the command line you see on the screen. The provided command sets up a 64-bit Wine environment within a custom WINEPREFIX directory, and then runs the Edge's installer within that Wine environment. Once you run the command, the dbForge Edge installation wizard will pop up. Simply follow the wizard steps to install the application. dbForge Edge offers 4 fully featured IDEs: dbForge Studio for SQL Server, dbForge Studio for MySQL, dbForge Studio for Oracle, and dbForge Studio for Postgres. Simply select the checkbox for the IDEs you wish to install. You have the flexibility to install just 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of them. As dbForge Edge consists of a package containing 4 separate dbForge Studios, you'll need to select and run the specific studio on your Ubuntu system. For instance, to run dbForge Studio from MySQL using Wine, execute the following command. Now you're equipped with a powerful solution that can greatly enhance your workflow, making database management, maintenance, and administration more efficient and intuitive. Ready to test drive it all yourself? Grab your free 30-day trial of dbForge Edge right now and step into the new era of database development.